Just yesterday morning, they didn't know you were gone. Suzanne finds a need for an engine. Walked down this morning and I rode down the song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? You gotta help me to take a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, like I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. I'm walking my mind to an easy time. I turn towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head round. There's hours of time on telephone line, just talking about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see somehow one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. Just everything's coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you fire and rain. I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne. Steve Gadd on the drum.